Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another KHL video, and today we have the Utah Blizzard versus the Washington Whalers on May 9th, KHL. Now, for the away team, number 23 on the Washington Whalers, Aaron McLaren. Now for your home team, number 18 on the Utah Blizzard, Jameson McMahon. Let's go. Anyways, let's get this game started when I find the ball.
Oh yeah.
Let's wave.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, sorry for being weird. I'm sorry for being weird, guys.
Cause we're the weird.
You said that, guys. But anyways, for the MHL, it's like the AHL in real life, but the Salt Lake City Blizzard also won, and that is the Utah Blizzard scouting team for recruits.
But today we're playing some KHL.
But anyways, let's get this period started. We can also do like the little loops that I did. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and we are off with the first period. 3, 2, 1. 3, 8, 5. You did not. Okay.
So we're playing. Is that good?
What?
Is that good?
Yeah, that's fine.
I have 2 fast reflexes for you, boy.
And that one's,
Except I miss every shot I take, boy.
that one's up to McMahon. McMahon. Nice save by the player. If they're gonna get they get the first shot on goal. Again, 1-0 first shots.
McMahon's tripping here. His stick got stuck within an obstacle on the ice.
It's a bad
And
bounce.
it's a goal! McLaren.
It's a bad bounce.
McLaren.
McLaren gets the goal.
Assisted by the wall.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that my friend? Oh, Chris.
But anyways,
Excuse the interference.
goal.
I'm pausing time, hold on.
Alright, you can go back.
Alright. Excuse the interference, that is not the timer.
It's just somebody calling.
It's a win for
It's
the Utah Blizzard.
It's the New York Huskies.
They are offering a trade. I don't think we're accepting it though.
And the Whalers. And it's going to play Aaron McLaren. And that one's gonna hit the post. The junior McLaren digging in the corner. It's a stud top show. 3 minutes and 10 seconds left to go. 1-1. Let's put it to the side.
Nice poke by McLaren. He reaches out and he loses his stick.
Now it's in. Gonna take a head slap. And it's on.
He gets his stick back.
No!
Here's the interference, folks. We have somebody took a fart.
Oh! I can throw it. You. Aaron. Ooh, me? Yes. Not me. And who won there?
We might be cursed here.
Can we get it out? We get it out! Alright, no, player. I mean, oh no. These orange ones now.
He forgot his own name. That's what happened, folks. He goes for a coach. He loses his name.
Now, man. Oh my god. And Matt is
Move again.
Now McMahon.
It's loose.
Ooh, just get that one.
I'm here.
Rebound.
And it's off. It's in for the Washington Whalers. He doesn't even know what happened.
And it's a goal. 2-1. Alright, now McMahon.
Go.
Yes, heads off.
Alright, we're good.
And that one's
Fully detector, Bila.
it's a goal. We're here in second period, I believe, or first. Oh, it's a goal. What was that? McMahon.
I don't like that ball. That was all pop lunch for
Let's
McMahon.
see.
You can't
Pretty
even
sure that's 10, 9, 8, 7,
get out of here.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna let time run out. And that's time. First period is over. What is up, guys? We are back here in the second period. We're gonna get this one started. And we're gonna get it now.
Wait, I want to check if that actually started. It is.
Alright, let's go. 1 back by the Blizzard. 3 to 2 I believe. I'll put the real score up. But if I was really, what the? Pause time. Go pause. Oh, I found it. Never mind. My bad. Okay.
Bro, that was like really weird.
Yeah.
It hit off my thigh.
Now McMahon.
Yeah.
For one time.
I remember one time down, I was doing this to me and then I hit the Jackies.
The Jackie's what?
Oh, Jackies fall.
Oh, yeah. And
If you throw it in, I won't pay that. So.
around. Who just the beginning?
We do not care.
Right, anyways. He scored! 4-2 game.
I said BKHL, bro. Look, you can't be cheating.
Oh, he tries to dump it in better, but soon.
That was a nice save. What?
Guess who this guy?
Yeah.
And now McMahon. Ooh. Back around again.
That worked. One game, it's not working again.
And now clear.
Ooh, that's it.
And it's 4-3. And now McMahon. Tries to go top shelf. He's looking to go left, I think. But
It looked like he was
was
trying to
good.
go 5.
it was a good save by the player in there. Oh, It's hit off his head. Slapped up. It's a nice save. I think
That was some great saves in a row. McLaren just wouldn't stop firing them right there.
nice shot. Hits post. That was out of the book. That was from man. He was looking for it. He scored. Okay. 5-30. The Blizzard. The Salt Lake City Blizzard today won their NHL game against the Washington D.C. Whalers.
Not the same thing.
And that was a good shot. Let's put it back again. I think he's looking for tips, maybe. Oh, he does tip it. And he
Mamma mia, pizza.
oh, it's a nice save. That one was going low left hand side or right hand side for you guys. Now the Washington Whalers.
What a
It's a
save.
big save. Now the Blizzard. There. Oh, it's a nice save.
And that's the second
The
period.
second period closed. We'll see you guys in the third period. The Utah Blizzard lead 5-3. What is up, guys? We are back in the third period. Well, we are in the third period, not back, but
Alright, ready?
it's a 5-3 game right now. Utah Blizzard winning. Yep.
Okay, let's go.
That one's one back. Now the Blizzard. Rips a shot. Great save to that. And he got hit in the groin. And just missing the net. And it's
Nice.
It's top. It's a great shot by the Washington Whalers. Like McLaren.
5-4 game.
One back.
Oh, that's a boy.
Oh.
Giants. Giants.
No.
Not again. Are you gonna shoot?
Oh, it's in the nose. He's trying to a little bit. The plan is taking full control of the game.
Oh, wow.
He's having shot after shot. Every time McLaren shoots, he's gonna, he most likely saves it.
Oh my
He
god.
saves most of the shots so far. He's only letting 4 shots. That's just what I'm talking about. He regroups with it. Takes it across the blue line. A nice poke check. And now look at me.
Oh, what is
It's
it?
a great save by McLaren.
Oh no, bro. Yo, let me try my shoe.
It's 6-4.
No, it's 5-4.
Oh, 5-4.
Alright, we get it. Click.
I'm playing.
Almost. McMahon flops on the ice.
Wow, you poke it down there. Oh, it's a great save. And it's a nice clean background too. No! What just happened? There. This game's all about balances right now.
5-5.
Now, turns it down. Put it on the chest.
Whoa. What are you doing? No. Please don't do this. No.
Nice shot.
Nice clear by McLaren. Whoa, it was meant to just be a poke check. He didn't go to McMahon. But that's it's fine.
You got 15 minutes.
Yeah. I fixed it.
This game might go into overtime.
It's a pretty close battle at the moment, folks.
These guys are just going back and forth.
Oh. Green Giants.
We're gonna check how much time's left on the clock. 27 seconds. And nice shot, Bill. Oh, you almost hit the Michigan. That's on. I'm good. That's time. We're going to overtime.
Holy smokes.
5-5 game. See you guys in overtime. What is up, guys? We're back on your YouTube page. And we have overtime.
Incoming.
McMahon versus McLaren. But anyways, let's start this game. We'll start overtime. But let's go. Is it 8 minutes? Do you said 3 minutes? 5. It's fine. Yeah. Oh yeah, we changed it back. We changed it 5 years. Oh, for a great overtime goal. He's gonna get another chance. It's a strike! Top corner! And he blizzard! Win it in overtime!
Right off the bat, too. That was amazing.
It was a nice snipe. Let's take a look at that snipe again.
That was an amazing shot by McMahon.
It went off the post and then
Hot corner.
Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Let's